A Mason City man had an unexpected surprise after an early morning crash involving his work truck. Take a look here. And this was the scene after a car driven by 24-year-old Christopher Sepulveda Kari collided with this parked truck. Josh Fridolfsson uses the truck for his job and has it parked along a curve on 1st Street Northeast in Mason City. And he says he parks it there for safety reasons.
I park here on the curb to slow people down. I've got a 2- and a 3-year-old that play in my front yard, and they still come whizzing by.
Fridolfsson's company has supplied him a backup truck while his truck was towed away for repairs.